Welcome back to our Road to the Rising special here on Tutu. We are on the roof of Liberty Hall here in Dublin, which is now the headquarters of SIPTU, but just over 100 years ago it was the HQ of the Irish Citizens Army, which was led by James Connolly, and in the basement the proclamation was printed.
Yeah, right up here you can see the whole of the city. It's absolutely amazing, including the brand new Rosie Hackett Bridge, which of course was named after one of the Rising's heroines. Speaking of which, Blonde went out to find out exactly how women of the time did their hair and makeup.
Maureen and Maida, it's so lovely to meet you.
Hi, Val, lovely
How
to
are
meet you too.
So we're here at the back of the Cat's Meow in the Locks and Lashes, and this is where you're going to transform me. So what's the first thing that we should do?
The hair, let's go.
Okay, let's do it.
In 1915, people would have shampooed their hair, let it dry naturally, combed it and brushed it. A lot of the hairstyles would have been like just wound around their fingers.
And Maureen, you worked on Ripper Street.
Absolutely, yeah.
So when you're doing all of those genuine kind of hairstyles, you try to be exact.
We have a brief from the designer and we have to go by that design. So you have to know exactly what you're doing. It's not really just about the hair, it's about the whole look.
In those pictures, they have a huge amount of volume, so how are you supposed to achieve
Well, they would
volume?
have padded out their hair. They would use padding and wadding of hair out of brushes, combs.
Old hair that had fallen out, like.
This is what I use now, and this is called crepe hair. Our next step is, I'm just going to put this on, leave your pins in for 10 minutes.
Very glamorous.
And then you're over to Maida for makeup, and then back to me.
Okay, perfect. Eyeliner is gone, so what's next?
So we're going to pay you down a little bit.
Okay.
Because tan, no.
There was no tan, all right.
There's no tan unless you're like one of the lower orders, let's say, and you work outside a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's your little kind of
How do I look? There we
blush
go.
look. And then we just pop on some lipstick. Yeah, for the lips there was beetroot juice or petals from flowers. So what I'm going to do is just kind of dab that on. The girls in Downton Abbey at the beginning, they're hardly wearing any makeup. So what they did for mascara was burnt matchsticks or soot with Vaseline. They also would use Vaseline on their eyes because they didn't use eyeshadows either.
Is my makeup done now?
Yes.
My
You're
makeup
ready
is finished.
That's all they would have really done.
Ta-da!
Wow.
What are the finishing touches?
Finishing touches are the hat. Absolutely perfect.
I think
Cool.
I'm ready for Road to the Rising.
You're
All right,
ready
let's go.
on the
I'll
road.
see you on Easter Monday. See you
Easter
later.
Monday,
Do you-
O'Connell
is
Street.
this how you do it? You do that kind of thing? Okay, thank you very much, ladies. Bye. See you later.
She looks better than she does on a good day. Anyway, that's all we have time for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have an amazing Easter weekend, and we'll see you on Monday with a musical special. See you guys.